बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। Welcome back to my channel DIY craft videos. So how are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. So viewers, in this video I'm going to share with you most beautiful images of seashell craft or seashell centerpieces decoration ideas. These are very beautiful and incredible seashell craft ideas for you guys. So guys, thank you so much for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. And if you want different other craft work, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. So viewers, I hope so you like these seashell craft ideas. If you want different other kind of craft work, you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are very pretty and very stunning seashell centerpieces decoration ideas for you guys. And you also like these seashell craft work because these are very cheap in prices, and you also watch different other kind of craft work videos on my channel about different craft work like pebble craft, macrama wall hanging ideas, and pebble craft, and so on. So viewers, I am very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. I'm very glad to see you all. I personally enjoyed this type of craft work. That's why